In this video, I will show you how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap General option in Settings menu. Next, tap AirPlay and Hand Off. On this page, tap Automatically AirPlay option. Here you will find three options: Never, Ask and Automatic. Just select Ask option. Now swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen and click the two screens icon. And here you can select the device for screen mirroring. So that is how you can turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.